Hello and welcome to another of my how-to videos. So today we're going to be looking at how to maintain and keep the suction really strong on a Shark lift-away vacuum. Excellent vacuum, credit to the manufacturer, but as with most things that get used, they need a little bit of maintenance. This particular model is the NV601UK 31, but obviously this sort of goes for most vacuums and other models. So there's a few key things you want to check on this. First, if you've got the brush roll at the front, that's the number one thing you want to check. So you press those two buttons down. This simply comes out, and if you've got any bits caught round that would slow this down, you want to take those, like see there, that piece there, just pull that sort of stuff out, he says, and then just get rid of that in the bin and then put that back in there carefully. And as you can see there, it's got bits as well, so that's the kind of stuff you don't want. You might have to use some scissors or a knife to get them out. That's the sort of stuff you don't want in there. I'm going to do all this in a minute. Just thought I'd make a quick video before I do so. Another thing to check is the Postmotor filter. This is the bottom one here. It comes undone by latching like that, and it lifts away from the front. These filters here don't need changing all the time, but there's nothing stopping you from just giving it a rinse through and letting it thoroughly dry. That'll stop any of the, it will allow the motor to breathe, sort of get rid of the hot air a lot easier, rather than the dust here blocking its exit. So give that one a clean. And that one there just pops back in. It's just literally slots in the top like that, and then presses down like that. And then the next thing to check, the most important thing to check, I'm going to take this dust canister off here, is the Premotor filters. Now I've just used this vacuum and it's been used a few times already, so it will be a bit dusty. So this is the main sponge filter, but also in the bottom here, this is like a secondary filter, and it goes a certain way up. So this is where the vacuum's sucking it through the pipe and it's all going down. As you can see here, loss of suction may occur. These are the most important filters to check, these ones. So with this one here, you probably just bang it in the bin, just give it a good wash and let it dry thoroughly before you use it again, else you get moisture in the motor. And this one here, just literally rinse them through. That's nice and easy, that one is. And then the other thing you can check on this particular model is lift this piece up here, and inside here you want to make sure that this metal mesh here is not clogged up. You can just rub that with your hands or a cloth, and then make sure the inlet pipe is also clear, because sometimes what happens is when you hoover up real big items, it all clogs up here. So there are the main points that would get clogged up with dust. The other things you can check as well, this is more if you've if you get a problem with it really, is the hoses. So this one here is obviously quite well designed, so hose release, if I can get it, I might have to hold that. No, I've got it. Just doing this with one hand. And then obviously if you get any debris in there, just make it straight and just bang it around and it'll come out. And that's about it really. Yeah, that's about it. So the main things are the Postmotor filter, not as much as the Premotor filters inside. These ones here are the main ones you've got to clean. So if you've got one of these Shark vacuums and you're wondering why your suction isn't so good anymore, then all you need to do is just give it a clean. Thanks for watching.